Hello everybody. I kind of sound a bit sick, which I am. I have a cold. Like today exactly is 8 days and it doesn't want to go away. It seems to be in love with me. Okay, so I'm going to make a gluten-free bread. A very quick, a 2-minute bread, let's say, or 3 minutes. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, and I'm using this sandwich container. And you notice I have not sprayed it or nothing. So here, because it won't stick. I've tried it already. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of almond flour. 2, 3, and 4. If you wish, you can add a pinch of salt, which is not necessary. We're going to add baking powder. Make sure it's aluminum free. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Gonna add a teaspoon of baking powder. Now, this is the part where some people might not eat egg, but I think if you try it without the egg and add another 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, I didn't try it, but you can experiment yourself and try and see if that will help. It's supposed to be the glue, the psyllium husk. Alright, so we mix all that. You can try it with coconut flour, and I'm going to add 2 eggs. Now, I've done psyllium husk tortillas without egg or anything, and it does come out fine, but just a suggestion if you want to try and experiment, right? So I'm going to add 2 eggs. And I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to add a tablespoon of water. I'm going to mix that well until all is properly mixed. I'm going to add another tablespoon. The consistency should be like a batter that could be a little bit pourable. Like if you can pour it, then it's fine. But it shouldn't be too thin and it should not be too thick. Now it's looking much better. It was too thick before. There we go, that's much better. And to this I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. Okay, so I have some toasted sesame seeds. So I just sprinkle some on the top. Make it look like bread. There we go. You can put hemp seeds, you can put sesame seeds. Now this will go in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and spongy. Use a toothpick to put in the middle. If it comes out dry, then it's ready. If it doesn't come out dry, then it needs more time. Okay, so in the microwave it will go in there, and we will put this for, I'll just put 3 minutes and let's see what happens. Instead of the plastic, you can use these ceramic custard molds. You have to put less, like almost less than half, because this will grow. It will double up. The one I just did 1 container, and you can see, look, it just doubled up. It's really like doubled. Let's check if it cooked, if it really cooked properly, and it's dry. So this is ready. It's ready. You see how it grew? Look at it. It's all almost spilled over. It's a bit too much. Now what I have to do is kind of try to unstick it there. Turn it around, unstick it a little. And there we go. And like that, just turn it around. And voila. See? We got a nice bread. And my container's nice, and you can see it has natural oil. The almond flour obviously has natural oils. So this will cool down. It looks nice and lovely. Anyways, my friends, you just slice it up, or I can cut this in half and just make 2 sandwiches. I guess 4 slices will come out of here. I could have done a little bit less so it doesn't double up like that and hang over like this, but it's cute still. It looks like a hat. Anyways, my friends, thank you all for watching. These are some other suggestions if you don't want to eat flour or gluten. This is another way to make your delicious bread, and believe me, if my son approves it, then it's really good. Yeah, so as easy as that. I put it for 3. I added 1 more minute, so that was 4 minutes because the container was big. And you can see this is like a nice handful of bread, and it's a pretty big bread, so I can cut in half and I can get 4 slices. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for your patience and support and all the love you've been giving me. I appreciate it. I know sometimes I take longer to upload, but I appreciate your patience. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Hopefully I'll be better by then, because I've been having headaches, I've been having stuffy nose, I've been having the cough. At night I get worse cough at night, and I feel bad for my husband because he has to go to work and I don't want to make noise. Yeah, so it's been kind of crazy, and my tooth started hurting. I don't know, it's just right now I'm going crazy right now, so hopefully I'll be better by the next video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Have a wonderful day. Bye.